up guys, Fashion Mechanics back to you guys with another video. Today we're really excited to show you guys the Yeezy 700 magnets. This is one of our favorite Yeezy pickup of 2019. And guys, stick around to the end of the video because we really wanted a pair of 700s in our collection and we don't have a pair, so we're gonna show you guys why we picked this one up, and we're gonna show you guys a detailed on-feet review, show you guys a bunch of outfits, so you guys should stay tuned to the end of the video. Guys, we're gonna start up with a quick unboxing to show you guys how it came in a box. It came in your standard 700 box. Now we're just gonna jump right in. We got our pair from StockX for like $20 over retail, because we really wanted to pick up this sneaker. And guys, this is like a muted wave runner. Like the color, I like that gray because it's really neutral, so you can wear it with a lot of outfits. And it doesn't have that 3M on the side like the wave runner, but it's still a good sneaker. And like guys, the top is made of suede and like leather, and I really like the gum bottom. The gum bottom is really unique. It adds like a contrast to the sneaker. And guys, for this sneaker we went with our standard size, like a 9, because it fits true to size. So you guys should pick up this sneaker in your true size. Recently guys, we've been picking up a lot of Nike sneakers to add to our collection. We've been sleeping on Adidas sneakers. I think the last Adidas sneaker we picked up was the V2s Zebras back in early 2018. And we've always eyed the 700. We always wanted the 700 in our collection. Yeah guys, we've always wanted the 700. We wanted the Wave Runner first, but it's like the colorway, like we didn't pick it up when it came out, so we decided to pass on those. But when these magnet came out, it looked fresh and it was like a beautiful colorway, and I really wanted to pick it up. I like the more gray tones that it has compared to the Yeezy Wave Runner. This one is way more wearable. You can wear it with a lot more outfits. You could like wear more simple outfits. I feel like when you had the Wave Runner on, that was like the standout piece of the outfit. But this one, you could build an outfit around it. Moving into the fall, this sneaker, since it has a like neutral color, it's gonna be perfect to build a lot of outfits. You can wear like light and dark denim with these sneakers. You can wear track pants. You can build a lot of outfits basically with this sneaker. So you guys should pick up this sneaker. We've been eyeing a lot of videos on YouTube about this sneaker. There's a lot of love-hate relationship about this sneaker. A lot of people are like hating this sneaker. A lot of people feel like it's like an unfinished Wave Runner because of like a lot of gray tones on the sneaker. But I feel like the gray tones make it like a unique colorway apart from the Wave Runner. I feel like the Wave Runner is like a top colorway, and this one is like a close second. This is like a second best colorway that came out in the 700. The other colorways are not appealing to me. I feel like they're too loud and you can't wear it with a lot of outfits. With the 700 V1s or the V2s, we were debating about picking up either one of them, but we decided to go with the V1s because the V1s has a lot of colorways that you could choose from. You could go with the Wave Runner, you could go with these, you could go with the mauve. But in the 700 V2s, there's not a lot of colorways. The only colorway that's drawn us is a static colorway, and that's the only colorway that they have that I really feel like drawn to, but that's it. And even though people say like it's more comfortable than the V1, in my opinion, this is what goes. It's comfort versus style. So which one would you guys choose? Guys, it's not that this one's not comfortable. This one is also comfortable, but that one's a little bit more comfortable than this one. But this one is more stylish than the V2s. So you guys should pick up the V1s. I know you guys have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube about this sneaker, so we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. Instead, we put together a detail on feet to show you guys how we style this sneaker and how you guys should style this sneaker if you guys want to take some inspiration. And before the video ends, you guys should go ahead and subscribe to the channel because we're going to be dropping a lot of sneaker review videos like this one and a lot of pickup videos. So you guys should subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, leave a like down in this video. Tell us in the comment section down below if this is going to be one of the best Yeezy colorways that's come out in the 700s. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.